Link Wealth has acquired a 60% stake in Sky Advisors, a financial advisory firm based in Hobart. Joining me to discuss is Link Wealth Managing Director Stephen Sloane. Hi Stephen, what does the acquisition include and how much is it expected to help Link Wealth's growth?
Yeah, look, thanks, Juliet. Thanks for having me. Look, it's a strategic acquisition, this one. We really like the Tasmanian market for a variety of reasons, and this acquisition is really going to add to the top and bottom line. So we're super excited about getting into Tasmanian market and see what we can do down there.
So how important is it to be expanding in Tasmania?
Yeah, look, like any market, we're seeing lots of opportunity up and down the eastern seaboard. Tasmania is another market that we like. We really want to get down there and see what we can do. We've executed well on a strategy across Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane and Adelaide. So Tasmania is no different to those markets. They've all got a big need for financial advice and good financial advice, and we're there to deliver it.
What's your broader growth strategy? Are you looking to expand in the states that you're already in?
Yeah, we are. So we've got a fairly in-depth acquisition strategy at the minute. We've really taken the last 10 years to create that foundation for the company. We're about 100 staff across the group. And so we'll keep on executing and partnering up with like-minded practices around the country. We're currently in Melbourne is the head office, and in Sydney, quite a big presence, and we'll continue to go up into Queensland. So we're currently looking at many opportunities around the country at the minute.
Just speaking more broadly about advice and the need that Australians have for financial advice, obviously with the reforms underway as well, there's a lot of hope that will make it easier for people to find affordable and good financial advice. Do you welcome, I guess, what we're seeing in the space in terms of reform?
Yeah, I really do. I think we've come a long way since the Royal Commission. We're seeing lots of good conversations around how to deliver advice to customers in a more lower cost environment. Look, there's still price pressures there. I think a lot of advisors around the country are trying to find ways to reduce that cost wherever possible. The conversation in government's been good, but I think if we continue to go down the right track here, we should get to a position where we can open up to a lot more people and provide that financial advice to the mass majority of Australia.
What is your key demographic though at Link Wealth?
Yeah, look, we've always focused on the accumulators, 30s, 40s and 50s. We've got a younger group at the company, and we've always sort of focused on that middle market of the younger accumulators and professionals in the cities, the capital cities. However, we've got a pretty broad range at Link. We provide advice to all parts of the age demographic. So we're not overly concerned by age. It's whether we can deliver great value advice to clients, and that's what the key focus is.
So just tell us, I guess, in terms of this tie-up with Sky Advisors, where you hope that partnership is going to go.
Yeah, so the 60% stake, we plan to triple that business over the next couple of years in terms of size. We've got a business in the Philippines called Levera, which supplies a back office staff for financial advice practices. But we've also built 200,000 followers across our social media platforms, and so we'll replicate that for Sky and do it again. And so really, it's exciting times down there. We'll probably look at other acquisitions in Tasmania as well and bolt those onto the business down there and continually execute on that growth strategy.
So how much do you use social media as a strategy? I mean, there's a lot of younger people getting financial advice from the likes of TikTok and YouTube, which can be somewhat worrying, but I assume you're using some different channels or trying to reach out to people through that way.
Yeah, look, we don't provide any financial advice over platforms, but we provide a lot of education. So we're there to educate, the population of Australia around finance in general, and that's we use various methods to do that, and that's what we'll continue to do so in the foreseeable future.